Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash 4x4 out. Now this is the one that's running the Surpass Hobby motor, and it's also running these pretty new, they're not brand new, I have run them once or twice I think, but I have these new-ish Proline Badlands, I believe, on raid wheels, and these are the ones that have the removable hexes, so I can undo these screws if I strip out a hex, which I have been doing with this machine. I can basically replace just the hex rather than having to replace the wheel and tire altogether. But this one, aside from the motor, it also has upgraded drive shafts. These are some heavy-duty steel drive shafts I bought off of eBay. I have a video all about installing these and a 3-month update on those as well. And it's still running the stock VXL 3S ESC. I just got this nice blue Traxxas Slash body that I did tape up with Gorilla Tape. Basically guys, I'm running a 3S LiPo in this. It's a 4,000 milliamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this hooked up and we're gonna jump right in this video. I also got some ramps set up over here, and I might just drive around in this parking lot. So let me get that connected and I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty guys, I got it all hooked up and we got this parking lot right here. So here we go guys. It's no slouch, that's for sure. I'm worried that driving on the pavement like this is gonna wear out these Badlands pretty darn quick, but it's so much fun. Got somebody coming, so I gotta move out of the way. How about launch on asphalt? Ready, get set, go! Whoa, she tumbled. Let's go get it. By the way, if you guys are liking the Traxxas Slash, go ahead and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps out my channel as well as this video, and it really tells me that people are enjoying this video. There, you can see I'm kind of drifting around. Nice, but I'm really worried how fast this is gonna wear out these Badlands. Like, it will wear the Badlands out, these nubs, super quick. Alrighty guys, how about we jump some ramps? That'll be a lot of fun. I'm tempted to keep on drifting around though. You can kind of see it's actually leaving little marks. That mark right there is from it. So it's actually leaving little marks of rubber on the asphalt, which is kind of funny, kind of cool. Maybe we should go down to the end and bring it back around real fast. Take it down there, go around the pole, and here we go. Ooh, almost lost control of it there. All right, guys, we better go over to the jumps, or the ramps, I should say. I got 2 ramps set up, or 2 different ramps, some lower ones and some higher ones, up over this little curb or sidewalk, and then over into the grass. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Let's start off slow. I like getting where the landing's gonna be, so I can get a good shot of the suspension compressing. Nice. This grass is a little long, and the 4-wheel drive Slash, you know, it doesn't have the most ground clearance in the world. Ooh, made it. Jumping in again. Nice. I want to hit this one with a little bit of speed. All right, guys, here we go. Oh. Hard to bring the nose back up. Here we go again. Uh-oh. Why is this spinning? Ooh. Okay, guys, this started to come undone. I probably should retire this one for today, guys. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, as well as this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're not subscribed, because you're going to want to see future content that I have coming out. Later.